Welcome to this Photoshop tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to make a professional poster mockup step by step. We will start by setting up a background, adding your design into a smart object, and adjust shadows and highlight to make it look ultra realistic. This technique works great for showcasing your artwork, promotional posters, or event designs. So, open up Photoshop and let's get started. Open your design in Photoshop. Now go to File and click on New button. Now select inches and resolution must be 300. Width size is 12 and height is 16. Now press OK button. Select pen tool. Create a shape according to your poster. Then again we select Add Anchor Point tool. Now adjust all points. Select properly your design area. Now we will adjust all points. Now again select pen tool. And click on Save button. Now our new shape are created. Go to previous file and drag and drop the page in your main design. Rename the layer. And right click on it and select Convert to Smart Object option. Change the layer color to red. Press Ctrl T and adjust the smart object size according to your mockup. Now press right button. Hold Ctrl button and click this area. Then select the smart object layer and click on Mask button. Double click on smart object and now create your own design for poster. Simply drag and drop your design and create your own design. Adding some text with text tool. Change the font style. Now I adding more text in design. Change the text color and font style. Adding your logo top up corner. Adding some food photos. Its look more attractive. Press Ctrl T and adjust the text size. Press Ctrl J for copy any text and any object. Now our design is complete. We go file and click save button, and you can see your design is updated with smart object. And change layer mode to multiply the smart object and hold control button and click on mask. And select background layer and press Ctrl J. Change the layer name light and change the layer mode normal to screen. Now press Ctrl L and adjust the levels. Select background layer and create a solid color layer. Choose any color according to your design and change layer mode to multiply. Hold Ctrl button and click on mask and go to solid color mask and press Ctrl backspace. Now change again our background color. Now you can see our mockup is ready. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Photoshop tips. See you in the next video.